Discovery presented their 2025 medical scheme contribution increases, plan changes, and benefit enhancements early in October. In this presentation, we will provide an overview of these changes. First, let's get straight into what most people are interested in, the contribution increases for 2025. There will be a weighted average increase across all plans in 2025 of 9.3%. This increase is based on medical inflation, supply and demand pressures, the age demographic of the scheme, as well as utilization. These factors differ across all plan types, which is why each plan is subject to a different increase for next year. Despite this increase in 2025, Discovery remains highly competitive, with their average contribution being 11.1% lower than the next 7 largest open medical schemes in South Africa. Discovery offers a wide range of plans to suit all budgets and needs. While it can look confusing at first, these essentially fall into 5 main plan types. The key care plans that charge a contribution based on one's earnings, providing a cost-effective option for lower income earners. The core plans, which cover hospitalization only, with day-to-day benefits for your own account. The saver plans, which provide an annual rand amount to be used to fund out-of-hospital expenses. And then the comprehensive plans, which provide a savings component, and when these savings are depleted, you have an above-threshold benefit that will fund day-to-day expenses. The amount of savings and the threshold limits on the saver and comprehensive options are plan dependent. The smart plans are unique in that they offer a basket of day-to-day benefits that are either included or attract a small co-payment. On some plans, one can choose a network option. This results in lower contributions, but then one needs to make use of a network hospital for all planned or elective procedures. Use of any hospital outside of the designated network will attract an upfront co-payment. In 2025, Discovery will be adding the Active Smart Plan to their range. This plan is aimed at young professionals who understand the risk of disease, but are more concerned with the risk of accident and emergency hospitalizations and want some day-to-day medical cover. Emergency admissions are covered in any hospital, while planned admissions must be to a hospital that is part of the SMART network. Planned hospital admissions will attract a 7,500 Rand deductible to be paid on admission. Oncology and maternity are only covered on this plan at the PMB level in a network facility. The Active Smart Plan offers a basket of cover for day-to-day medical expenses, including in-person GP visits, optometry, and dentistry, which will each attract a small co-payment. Over-the-counter medication is available through the pharmacy network up to an annual Rand limit. Discovery will also be adding personal health pathways in 2025, which will provide prevention and wellness activities and reward you for doing so. Data shows that it's not only regular exercise that improves health and decreases morbidity, but also following health actions specific to one's personal circumstances. Every member will be offered actions specific to their personal health situation. Once you complete these actions, whether a GP checkup, a preventative test, or a fitness task, you will complete your rings and be offered an instant reward, whether a coffee, voucher, or Discovery Miles. This engagement will also attract a Rand value that will accumulate towards your personal health fund. The personal health fund will provide a cash amount that can be used for any day-to-day medical expenses. It adds a savings component to the core plans and supplements your savings on all other plans. The maximum amount available is dependent on your plan type, the number of beneficiaries, and your completion of your personal health pathways. This amount ranges from 1,000 Rand per family on the key care plans up to 10,000 Rand on the comprehensive plans. For every health action you complete on your personal health pathway, 500 Rand will accumulate to the personal health fund, with 100 Rand for every exercise action, up to the maximum for your plan. To partake is simple as activating health pathways on the Discovery app once the benefit is active in 2025. After taking a look at these changes for 2025, let's now take a closer look at the cover provided by Discovery Medical Scheme across all their plans. The core benefit across all plans is unlimited cover for hospitalization. Remember that if a network plan option has been selected, a network facility will need to be used for all planned or elective procedures to ensure you are fully covered. Failure to do so will attract an upfront co-payment. In the event of a life-threatening emergency, you have full cover at any hospital. Once stabilized, you may be moved to a network facility if you're on a network plan. You'll be covered for treatment by any specialist while in hospital. Keep in mind that Discovery only covers these specialists up to the rate applicable to your plan type. Unfortunately, many specialists charge in excess of this medical aid rate, and anything excess of this rate is for your account. This is why gap cover is critically important, as it provides cover for these shortfalls. Several of our corporate schemes include gap cover, but for those who don't, and for individual clients, it is important to chat to your broker about options. You are covered for 27 chronic conditions on all plans, with additional conditions on the top 2 plans. Once you have applied for the chronic benefit, you will receive approval for a treatment basket that is funded from chronic and not from your day-to-day benefits. Remember that from this year, you need to elect a primary care GP for your chronic condition. Please do so if you haven't already. Please also be aware that there are specific programs available for mental health care, diabetes care, cardio care, and HIV care. The programs provide management, advice, and care for these specific conditions. As we know, prevention is better than cure, and Discovery offers a range of prevention and screening benefits on their plans. These range from an annual health check, which includes blood glucose, blood pressure, and cholesterol, to mammograms, pap smears, and prostate screening. As part of their prevention focus, Discovery uses technology to assess members at greatest risk of disease. They will then assist in identifying the risk and enroll the member in a 12-month program if they are found to be at risk. This will then give them access to a risk-funded basket of care, including GP visits and prescribed medication. Mental health is as, if not more, important than physical health. The prevention benefit will provide a depression risk management program too. Discovery offers a comprehensive maternity benefit covering pregnancy, birth, and post-birth care. Once registered for the benefit, you will receive a basket of care, including gynae and GP consultations, scans, defined blood tests, antenatal and postnatal classes, etc. As pointed out earlier, please note that on the new Active Smart plan, only PMB maternity care is offered, with consultations coming from available day-to-day cover. Discovery will enhance the maternity benefit in 2025 with guidance offered to new parents through the Parent Sense app. This is only available to those registered for the maternity benefit. There will now also be personalized menopause care offered via the Stella app, which is downloadable on the Discovery Health app. You will be diagnosed through Stella or by a GP, and based on this diagnosis, have access to GPs trained on menopause care. As discussed earlier, cover for day-to-day medical expenses are plan dependent. On the core plans, there is no cover and you would self-fund all out-of-hospital expenses. On the saver plans, there's an annual rand amount available, while on the priority and comprehensive plans, you have an above threshold benefit available once your savings are depleted. On the Key Care Plus and the Smart plans, you have a defined set of day-to-day benefits available. There are a wide range of other benefits available from Discovery Medical Scheme, and we strongly suggest you spend some time going through the plan guides, which are available on our website, to check what your plan offers. We won't go into detail in this presentation, but Discovery Health members also have access to the optional Vitality Lifestyle Wellness Program at an additional cost. This rewards you for healthy activities with access to discounts with healthy care, healthy food, healthy gear partners, discounted gym membership, and instant rewards for fitness activities. If you are interested in what this offers and how to join, you can speak to your Dell Financial Services broker. To maximize the rewards from the Discovery ecosystem, it is well worth considering joining Discovery Bank. They do offer a zero-fee savings account for those who wish to see what their bank offers. Again, please speak to your broker if you'd like more information on the benefits offered. We thank you for your time, and we trust this gave you an overview of what Discovery Health will offer in 2025. If there are any queries, you're welcome to engage with your Dell Financial Services broker.